After you remove the knob from the faucet, then you have to remove the retaining nut that holds in the valve assembly. Removing the assembly can be difficult if it has never been done before on this faucet. Needle nose pliers and wiggling the assembly are useful to get the valve assembly out. This is the assembly once it has been removed. Next, remove the spring and the additional rubber gasket. Then clean off the faucet. This is the part of the faucet that you're normally not able to clean due to the knob being in the way. Fully disassemble the valve and replace all of the rubber components that it contains. Replacement components can be purchased at your local hardware store or home improvement store. In the replacement kit, the instructions tell you which gasket belongs to which part of the faucet. Next, reinstall the spring and rubber gasket. Then reinstall the valve assembly with the new rubber gaskets installed on it. Afterwards, clean the area once again to make sure that there's no more debris. Then put on the valve retaining nut. Hand tighten until you cannot tighten it anymore. Then continue to tightening with your pliers. When tightening with the pliers, be sure not to scratch the finish. Reinstall the knob and the knob set screw. After you put in the set screw, give the knob a few turns to make sure that it is not loose. Then turn on the water to the faucet. Turn on and off the faucet to make sure there are not any leaks. Once you have verified there are not any leaks, perform any other cleanup and you have completed the job. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like instant notifications, click the bell.